berdoa menurut kepercayaan dan agama masing-masing. Berdoa dalam hati dimulai.
Okay, finish. Before we start this class, I want to attendance my student. Anyone maybe have trouble or sick in this classmate?
Yosa, sir.
Yosa?
Yosa sakit.
Yosa sakit?
Sakit, sir.
Oke, berarti untuk hari ini cuma Yosa saja yang sakit. Ahyan hadir?
Hadir.
Hajar?
Hadir, sir.
Oke, thank you Hajar. And then Alan?
Ada Pak?
Okay. Morning everyone.
Morning.
How are you for the day?
Good.
Good. Alan good?
I'm good.
Okay. By the first time we want to learn about this material. Everyone can see in this TV. There is an or there are. Okay, we move to the next material is explain there is or there are. Okay. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to learn and use for there is and there are. Like for there is only one thing or one item, like a boy, a book, an apple, a car, a woman, or one thing, just one thing. Okay. For there are is two or more things. Like if you have two orange, three people, 5 glasses, 6 women, and 4 girls. It's intinya itu lebih dari satu untuk penggunaan dari there are. For using there are is more than one. Okay.
Okay.
For the next is like what I said before is there is we use it with singular nouns. One item. It means just one thing. And then we have a sentence type in here. If is positive, it's like there is plus singular nouns. For example, there is a cat on the table. Next, we move to negative sentence type. For negative, we could be put not or is not plus singular noun. Like, for example, there is not a pen on the desk. If it is question, the words is there plus singular noun. Like, is there a problem? Just one problem. And then we gonna move to next is there are. Yeah, there are used with plural nouns and then more than one item or one thing. There is the sentence type in here, like if there are is positive sentence, it's plus plural noun. For example, is there are 3 books in the bag, and then if this negative sentence, put the not or are found any apples in the fridge? For the question sentence, it's similar like this is, but we put the are there plus plural noun. For example, are there any students in the class? Okay, everyone, any have question for this explanation about there is or there are? It's okay if you want, if you question, just raise your hand.
Sir,
Okay, Hajar.
can I use Indonesian, sir?
Oh, boleh. Sure, boleh.
Kalau kita mau taruh selain apel bisa nggak, sir, kayak bunga?
Boleh banget. In this untuk itu intinya jika dia itu satu dalam bentuk jumlah, dia itu akan menjadi there is. Untuk lebih dari satu itu akan menjadi penggunaannya there are. Okay, like we have one spider in there. Just say there is one spider in here. If two, just say there are.
Two spider.
Yeah, on the table, on the bed, on the chair maybe. Okay, we have
Mau
some.
nanya juga dong.
Sure.
Ya. Ini tuh bebas kan ya, artisnya tuh mau itu benda, tempat atau orang itu bebas.
Yeah, bebas.
Oh, ya.
It's
Jelas.
free. Free sentences in this.
Oke.
Okay, we have some. Maybe I think the picture. What can you explain about the two pictures in here? Anyone can have the
Me.
answer? Sure, Hajar.
Read that, sir.
Yeah.
What picture of this?
What you can see in this?
It's the tables.
Okay. How many table or chair?
There are 7 chairs and 7 tables.
Okay, nice Hajar. Give applause for Hajar. Okay, if there are two things or maybe more than one, just say there are. Okay, there are. There are 6 tables. Okay, we move to the next picture.
Me, sir.
Oh, sure, Aya.
The second picture is fish, and the fish is one fish in the picture, so
Okay.
we can use this one fish.
There is a fish. Okay. For the next picture is there is a fish. You can see this slide for the maybe contoh example that using the there is on the card. Anyone have the question?
No, sir.
Maybe Alan
Clear, so.
or clear. I will say something about the there is Okay, I can write for this. There is or there are. If there is a dog, okay, to this, wait a minute, okay. If there are one thing, where we can use there is like if there is a dog, or if there more than one, you can see this there are. We use those. Okay, maybe I think it's all for this meet. Now we have do some exercise for any student in here. Okay, I will send the material in this WA group, or maybe next week we gonna put this exercise. Okay, anyone have question for the last?
No, sir.
Okay, I think it's enough for today, and see you tomorrow. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Berapa menit?
Tinggal 5 menit. Tinggal 10 menit.
Okay, thank you for this meet. Before we end of this class, I think we have to pray with our religions. Pray start with Alhamdulillah.
Kok ada?
Emang?
Oh ya.
Ya.
Kok ada diam lagi? Anak-anak.
Nama namanya alhamdulillah.
Oke, ulang.
Gini dong. Oke.
Okay, maybe this all for today. Before we end this class, we have to pray with our religions and pray. We start with Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim.
Thank you for everyone. See you next week or tomorrow with maybe tomorrow we have class, and then yeah, thank you for the day.
Thank you, sir.
Takbir.
Gak apa-apa, bawa ada ini.